Oh, he's picked that one. It's a flat 6. And that's power. It was shot and asked to be hit. And there go the fans as well. Much needed 6 against the run of play.
Nicely played once again. Up and over the backward point this time around. 4 more.
Janat is turning it on. He believes this is the only way forward from here on. He does not want... Oh my God, this time around he's middled it even better. Karim Janat on that. He'll be looking to do.
Well, I don't think he'll be proud of that one because that has gone many a mile. What a shot. That was hit of Janat, and here's another one. Wow. What? This time it's a full toss. It's heading towards the boundary. That's 4 more. Banged in, swatted away to leg side. Oh boy, Karim Janat, you're on fire. Oh boy, that's another boundary. Karim Janat has sealed the game with a monster. There